This positive will go to this 330 ohm. This negative will go to this 3.3k ohm. This one back there, this one, and this capacitor's positive will go 330 ohm and negative will go to this 3.3k ohm. This is 10k, and these are red and blue is all positive over here, like that up to here, and then from here to here positive. It's all negative. This is joint 330 ohm joined with this negative LEDs. This is for this one, and this 330 for this one. So I will solder it, this one. I'll show it to you. To that we will use two of that one. This is the pin 1 is emitter, pin 2 is collector, pin 3 is base. Okay, C1815 over here. The first pin is the emitter, second collector, third is base. Emitter goes all the way to negative over here. That's emitter, 1, 2. And base will go to 3.3k. Where's that one? Yeah, this is 3.3k. That's the base, 3.3k, and collector will go 330, this one over here. And same thing this one. Base base of this one will go to 3.3k, and negative of this capacitor, and this base is go to 3.3k, negative of this capacitor. This collector will go to 330 ohm, this one. This collector goes to 330, and emitter will be negative, and positive will be comes from here. From here or this corner, whatever you like. This emitter negative, that's positive. We will apply 9 volt. I will check if it will work. I'll show it to you.